The development of Silicon Valley is not a mistake. It's a result from a lot of smart people making smart decisions and venture capitalists supporting that innovation, that experimentation. You can do the same thing. You might have seen organizational images, they're called network analysis or org charts, that look like some of these on the left. It's not limited to technology companies. I want you to imagine the 6 or 8 most important people in your business and make a spider web or a network analysis or an org chart that looks kind of like this. The reason? Those 6 people are going to drive your objectives in the next 12 months. They may not be your manager, and they may not be known yet. It could be that target market or that relationship I need to develop with that person whose name you don't know. Please make your objective focus on your relationship with those 6 or 8 people. Why? You're going to make more money, you're going to be happier, you're going to live longer, have better relationships. There's a whole bunch of variables.